Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a dua that will save us with the blessings of Allah from the troubles, problems and torture of the other people. Because many people, they are always busy to disturb other people by different ways. Like some people, they try to tease the people with magic. Some people, they try to curse the people. Some people try to disturb the people through backbiting and some false statement, and so many things are there. So people, they are using different tactics to disturb the people. So this way, when we are just to know that someone is disturbing me and someone will beat me, or someone is to curse me or abuse me, or something will happen to me, so then you have to start reading this dua. So inshallah you will be saved from the sudden trouble problem. So Allah will help you completely and fully, and you will be fully under protection of Allah. So we read this dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min sharri ibadika hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakeel. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min sharri ibadika hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakeel. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min sharri ibadika hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakeel. Allahumma, O Allah, inni, indeed I, a'udhu bika, I request you for your shelter, min sharri ibadika, from the evils of the people. Hasbunallahu, so you are sufficient for me. You are sufficient for us. Wa ni'mal wakeel, and you are the best disposer of all the affairs. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min sharri ibadika hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakeel. O Allah, indeed I beg your shelter against all types of evils and troubles of the people. O Allah, you are sufficient for us, and you are the best disposer of all affairs. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min sharri ibadika hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakeel. So you try to read this from sudden trouble, problem, or jealousy of the people, or hatred of the people. So you will be saved from all types of the evils which are to be happening from the people. So inshallah Allah will save you, Allah will protect you, and the angels will occupy you, and the shaitan and all types of creation of Allah who is to disturb you, so that will be away. So all the people's plot and different type of plans which are to disturb you, those will be failed, and you will be saved inshallah. Allah save us from all types of troubles and problems, and make our this life and life hereafter better. Ameen.